dipping, chill, feeling good. Hit the ceiling non-stop, getting high. Fuck 'em all till I die. I'm living life so far out, people don't know. No doubt in my mind, but then I just go. Grind so hard, shining like a star. Let's believe I'm no fucking raw. Yeah, I wanna be the best, like song. What? Fuck 'em all now, nah. Yeah, you know who I am. I'm the best, and I got the master plan. Try to do it real, fucking do the deal. Every single time I do it, now you know for real. Making money every fucking day, living this life. Don't try to fucking hate. So I'm making my cash, getting so much ass, man. You think fast, damn girl. That's the best thing in the world. Take it slow all the time, then we do a tour. Fucking do what we want, cause you can't ignore. I'm a pro, I'm a boss, so snore. Nah, I ain't gonna go to sleep yet. People try to say shit, but they need me. Everything something else, man. Besides beaming, wanna get outside, but I'm tag teaming. Yeah, so fuck 'em all day. I'm living life, getting paid, and I call it the game. Say what? I irate? Now you know it's the same. I'm the best, so don't change. Now you living the life, so fuck 'em all every day. Get cash, get money. Saying what I want, bitch, you know love me. I'm a fucking king, cause I really love you. So what else is there to motherfucker fucking do?
Yeah. You know where money came from, you trying to get it stacked up. Everything you had in this game wasn't backed up. Now you see the situation running like a hot wire. Wanna fucking flip the game off cause you hot tired. I don't even know about this game. Steady moving in like an addict with his brain. I don't even know I speak this motherfucking weaving rain. Watch it on pay-per-view the day it comes out. I don't see the fucking money, let's the fucking wear it out. I don't even change pages when I'm riding. Everything was fucking gliding, everything was fucking showing, everything was fucking going. Strolling in the park with a half a diamond sack. Got so much money for a brother is swag. See my position, see my motherfucking attitude. See my motherfucking game, see a motherfucking latitude. I speak like I'm spiraling, I'm motherfucking illusion. I don't even know about this game, it's confusing. Speak so many words, but they never see me boozing. Got so much weed, you see me motherfucking cruising. All about my weed, say to it every day, what the fuck you need? Got so much shit it be guaranteed to be flowing through my bloodstream every single day. I don't even talk money, I don't even talk rage, I don't even talk game, I don't even talk shit. I don't even do shit, motherfucker money. I'll be doing shit until it sound funny. I be rolling days, I be rolling haze. I be doing shit till I get fucking blazed. Know the motherfucking pay to be coming in every single fucking day when you always fucking wondering about what you got, about what you about to get. Everything you had wasn't good for a little bit. Now you need money. You see the fucking paper trail. You see everything you have running like a motherfucking sale. I don't see no money like I'm full blown in. Going motherfucking ride this shit till it's frozen. Smoking on some weed, half a dozen in the cut. Smoking on this bad bitch, getting high as fuck. I don't need no problem in the way like a handout. Smoking on this weed just to get fucking higher. Every time I get fucking buyer, I don't even know I'm smoking till I'm fired. Smoking on this haze till I'm motherfucking buyer.